Santa Barbara is known for its beautiful beaches, stunning coastline, and pleasant year-round weather. But it is also a destination that offers a thrilling motorcycle adventure for those seeking to explore its picturesque landscapes and winding roads. From the scenic Pacific Coast Highway to the thrilling twists and turns of the Santa Ynez Mountains, Santa Barbara is a haven for motorcycle enthusiasts. This video will take you on the ultimate motorcycle adventure, showcasing some of the best routes, attractions, and experiences that Santa Barbara has to offer. So gear up, hop on your bike, and get ready for the ride of a lifetime. Santa Barbara is a true paradise for motorcycle enthusiasts. With its breathtaking landscapes, winding roads, and perfect weather, it offers an unforgettable experience for riders of all levels. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for an adrenaline rush or a beginner seeking a scenic ride, Santa Barbara has something to offer for everyone. One of the highlights of this motorcycle trip is the iconic Pacific Coast Highway. Stretching along the coast, this highway offers stunning ocean vistas, rugged cliffs, and panoramic views that will leave you breathless. Riding along this world-renowned highway is an experience like no other, as you feel the cool ocean breeze on your face and take in the beauty of the California coastline. And that's only the start. Santa Barbara is also home to the Santa Ynez Mountains, which provide an exhilarating and challenging ride. With its twisty and winding roads, the Santa Ynez Mountains offer a thrilling experience where riders can test their skills and enjoy the thrill of navigating through the stunning mountainous terrain. For those who prefer a more scenic ride, Santa Barbara offers a multitude of relaxing routes. These routes provide a perfect opportunity to soak in the natural beauty of the area. Stop at local wineries for tasting or explore charming towns and coastal villages.
Lovely day, such a lovely day.
Santa Barbara offers a vibrant and diverse culinary scene, as well as opportunities to experience the unique cultural heritage of the area. Here are some ways to experience and embrace the local culture and cuisine during your motorcycle adventure. Whether you prefer fine dining restaurants or casual beachside cafes, there are plenty of options to satisfy your taste buds. Santa Barbara is rich in cultural history, and there are several landmarks that showcase the area's heritage. Take a ride to the old Mission Santa Barbara, a Spanish mission founded in 1786, and explore its beautiful gardens and historic buildings. You can also visit the Santa Barbara Courthouse, known for its stunning Spanish Moorish architecture and panoramic views of the city. These landmarks offer a glimpse into the past and provide a deeper understanding of the local culture. Santa Barbara hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year, not to mention motorcycle shows and meetups year-round where you can meet friendly riders of all levels. Plan your motorcycle adventure around one of these events to fully immerse yourself in the local culture. Whether it's the picturesque coastline, charming vineyards, or bustling downtown, Santa Barbara has something for every motorcycle enthusiast. So enjoy the journey, embrace the freedom, and create lifelong memories as you explore everything this coastal city has to offer on two wheels.